micro USB, Type C, Lightning. 3 types of cable connector and lots of devices. Lots of cable to carry, right? Maybe not. I have a solution for all of your cable. This is Orico UTS 12 3-in-1 cable, which have a USB input and 3 output Type C, Lightning and micro USB. It is capable of 3 ampere of current, 1.2 meter in length, and it is nylon braided. So there is no question about this cable's durability. But how good this cable is? Let's unbox it. Okay. This is a fairly good quality wrapped cable. I am tearing the packaging. I am looking at the specification first. The model number of this multi-cable is UTS12. This is a Type A to Micro B, Type C and Apple Lightning cable, which is USB 2 compliant. It is capable of giving power delivery all over 3 cable, but only Lightning port supports data transfer. Wow, this is high quality. This is very high quality cable. I can tell you that. I can tell you that this is very high quality. Look at these connectors. All these 3 are very good quality, solid build quality. Let me give you one bad news. You can't expect fast charging via any of this cable. Okay? You can only use this cable for normal charging. So what I am going to do, as you already know, there is no fast charging. I am going to test, can I use 3 cables at once? Let me try. I am connecting it with my USB digital tester. Then I have a Bluetooth shutter from Xiaomi, which have a micro USB input. I am connecting the micro USB first. Yes, this is charging. Only half watt. Then I have a microphone, wireless microphone. This has Type C input. I am connecting it. Okay, both the devices are charging. Now, what about iPhone? iPhone Lightning. 2 devices is now charging. 3rd device is possible. Let me try. Okay. My iPhone is also charging. Microphone charging. Bluetooth remote shutter charging. Total output is only 5 watt. So you have to understand your use case scenario. You can use this Orico 3-in-1 cable for smaller gadgets like your buds, Apple AirPods, remote shutter, microphone, this type of device, or any old slow charging mobile phone. You can't expect 18, 20, 25 watt of current via this cable. If you are okay with this, then this Orico cable is your perfect companion in your bag. I can suggest you that. This is the best thing or only cable you can carry with you. I have the purchasing link, which is an affiliate link of mine, below in the video description. Feel free to check. Like this video if you found this helpful and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.